Hello, it's Tuesday evening. Yesterday, we bought a new toaster oven because the day before, during the weekend, our previous toaster broke and it stopped working. And my wife didn't want a regular toaster, she wanted a toaster oven, so that's what I bought for us. Take a look. It's a 4-slice toaster oven there. So we can put some toast, make some toast. You can also put a pizza and other stuff, waffles, whatever the case may be. So right now, let's open it up. So here it is, the new toaster oven. Gonna unbag it and unbox it. Very nice. Right now, I'll take it out of the box. So there it is, brand new toaster oven. Right now, I'll remove some of this more tape to take a better look inside of it. Looks nice. I opened it up and take a look inside. Right now I'll put the rest of the stuff that goes in there. So look, very nice and clean, brand new toaster oven. Looks good, y'all.